said no rest.
Different video.
Is one of these waters yours?
No, it's not.
Do you want one?
No, I'm good.
You want?
It's a different video, but we're doing the same shit. Some arm wrestling. So we're gonna get into this shit.
You want to trade sides?
No.
Alright. Let me turn the air conditioning on. Act like you're doing something.
We got a big thing of hand sanitizer over here. We're sanitizing after every match so that it's all secure and sanitized and all good. It's all good.
Yeah, we wash our hands with actual soap and water right before.
It's good.
That's cool.
It's good.
You trying to outdo me?
It's good.
Acting like you're more
You know what
sanitary
that's
than I am? He's trying to act like he's more sanitary than I am. Wait,
It's good.
that's a good position to go.
God!
I didn't think you were gonna give that easily.
I was trying.
No offense, no offense. I mean,
That fucking, that muscle and all that.
okay, it's getting there. Yeah, okay.
But I said I'm hoping,
Yes.
hoping I can heal that shit up.
Looks like.
You know what I'm saying? Hoping I can heal that shit up.
Oh, it will. It will. My right is like that for a while.
I mean, it's bad.
For some
bad.
reason, my left hand is actually.
But get this, you know what pisses me off? They took CAT scans and they took X-rays. Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing wrong.
Nothing. They
You can't
said.
start out like that.
I can't understand what the fuck they were talking about. They must have been smoking something. You get to cut.
Hmm?
Get cut out knees and yeah.
Okay. It happens. Wait, what are we doing? Are we
We're
already
going.
on?
Yeah, we're going. Your elbow went off the table.
I know. The whole table moved. I lifted my lungs.
You had to work for that one. Every inch of that you had to work for.
I chopped you down.
You tried to, boy. I said, you said you were doing what I was doing
It ain't no.
last week.
That was like an 80s workout dance. He was doing it to the beat.
You were doing what I was doing to Pradeep last time.
Turn the beat around.
You were doing what I was doing to Pradeep last time. Sorry.
We gotta do it quick. We're almost at 3 minutes.
I don't want these. I don't want these. I can't let you beat me.
I can.
No, I can't.
Good job though. Good job though.
Even with the sore arm, I'm trying.
That's a lion.
I got the heart of one, damn it. Got the heart of a lion.
Yeah.